What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Josh, and we back at it again on the Kicks and Bricks channel. Hey, so I just finished doing the review for these Nike Air Foamposite Pro Chrome Whites. Make sure y'all hit that like on that video real quick. Make sure if you haven't watched it yet, make sure you hop over there and watch it after you're done with this video. You know what I'm saying? A little bit more time. It ain't that long, so hey, take a quick check and scroll through the video. Do a quick, boom, 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 see if you like it or not. And then just hit that like button. You know what I'm saying, peoples? All right. Well, again, I'm catching up on some sneaker reviews. So here I am. And of course, like I said, been saying that last actually 2 months, as far as sneaker cops for something that's dope, hasn't really been that hypeful out there. The hype is definitely dying out on the sneaker world. So they did have the shock drop on those red cement 4s, which your boy did want. But of course, as always, strike out. So hey, I don't know what's going on there, but I think I might have to call or send an email to sneakers. Like I've been seeing a lot of people, they inquire on, hey, why haven't been I get these errors, this, that, and the third. So what's going on my account? So let's see if I have anything like that, with my account and any restrictions or whatnot. So, all right, well, first of all, let me make sure I sit here and thank y'all for tuning into the channel. Make sure y'all hit that like button, make sure y'all hit the subscribe button, and make sure y'all hit that notification bell. If you're new to the channel, do all 3 of those real quick. Don't take nothing but 2 or 3 seconds to go click, click, click. You know what I'm saying? Like, subscribe, and notification bell. All right, well, today's review is of a recent release. I was able to cop, even though I was on the road. Thankfully, I was able to cop Rock One Stock one of these. And these are gonna be a pretty dope sneaker to keep in the collection. It's definitely a good colorway that's been releasing a lot lately on a lot of Jordans. And I've got, of this colorway, I wanna say I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 different sneakers that I did another video on, and you guys can check that out. Has all 4 of those sneakers had a different, the same colorway, and they all look dope. And now I get to get another sneaker that has that colorway. So now let me just stop and get to the box, right? So let me just get here and grab this one down here and get ready to show you the box. Y'all ready? All right, here it is. Boom. And again, you guys know what's on that box like this, because they sure as hell don't, put Foamposites in boxes like this with different colors and whatnot. So, boom, you know what it is. You know what type of box it is. So, let me read the label on the front. This is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Color is universally blue, black, white, and the size is a 10. And the 5th UNC colorway I get to add to my sneaker collection is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG UNC Blue. And I'm happy. Check it out. All right, y'all. First impressions. UNC colorway, I don't ever see a Jordan sneaker going wrong with a UNC colorway. It really got to mess up on materials to mess up a UNC colorway, seriously. Here, so far, the back, the universally blue looks a little tumbled there, but the rest of the black toe and all that looks like smooth leather. The toe box got a little tumbled leather there. Yeah, I definitely think that the smooth leather, it's something that is a staple, on a Jordan 1, having the smooth leather on the front with the solid colorway. But you guys know I prefer tumbled or anything over smooth leather, because depending on the leather, it teeters on whether it looks like fake or just like plain Jane like leather. You know how you those fake cheap sneakers got that flat leather look that just makes them look sometimes that's what, you know, I look at these and see that and I'm like, eh. So, but all right, anyway, you know, let me not give too much far, you know, away about the sneaker. Let me make sure that I get this up close so you guys can zoom in. You guys can take a closer look at these and determine yourselves whether you're a fan of these or not. And of course, like I said, these have been released already for about a week or so or more, and I haven't got a chance to review. And you guys probably already have a decision on these, but hey, you know what? I'm still giving, you know, putting my own personal stamp on the review for this sneaker. So, all right, let me get this in front of the camera. Let's zoom in, get the closer look for you guys to check out all the details, and we go from there. All right, y'all, let's get it. All right, y'all, well, here we got the Air Jordan 1 UNC toes, and beautiful, beautiful sneaker. So if y'all look, just like I was saying, I don't, you know, you guys know I'm not a big fan of just the flat looking leather like this. I know it makes it look sometimes a little cheap to me, but this one, you know, for this black, I thought that it was okay. I mean, it didn't look too fake, but it didn't look, you know, too glossy and nothing like that. So like a patent leather, and definitely good look on the shoe. So, but let's keep looking around on the sneaker. And here we got the side view, and just like I said, the quality is A1 all around. So they did not, you know, sit here and disappoint with the quality on this Air Jordan 1. So, and the colorway is definitely fire. Can't wait to see these lined up next to all of my other UNC colorways. And yeah, it's a dope sneaker. So let me know what y'all think about these, y'all. Let me know if y'all feeling these. Let me know y'all passed up on these, because this was definitely a good cop, and I doubled up. So lucky enough to double up, and there've been crazy restocks on these. So if you haven't doubled up on these yet or been able to cop yet, man, I don't think you're trying hard enough, because I tell you what, lots and lots of restocks on these. So all right, y'all, well, let's get back in front of this camera, get these final thoughts and comments on the quality of the sneaker and all that good stuff, and we'll take it from there. All right, y'all, let's get it. All right, y'all, that was the review for the Air Jordan 1 High OG UNCs, y'all. And like I said already in the up close, these are dope. These are dope. Would I, you know, change a little bit the black smooth leather? Of course, you know, like I said, it's just me. I don't like that look. Sometimes it just makes the sneaker look a little bit fake to me, but it just depends on the quality of it. It could be a smoother leather and look good, or be a smooth leather and look fake and flat and stuff. So, but let me know in the comment section what y'all thought about the UNCs. Let me know in the comment section what y'all thought about the review. Am I going in the right direction? Do you guys like the review videos I'm putting out? Let me know. Am I doing all right? So that way I can make changes or go from there. But thanks for sticking around, watching the video. Thanks for hitting that like button. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. And I've got a few more sneakers that I copped when I was gone on the road, and they're all sitting here in this room with me, and I gotta knock out the reviews for them, y'all. So there's not much more to say other than, as always, it's your boy Josh. We on the Kicks and Bricks channel. Keep it locked in, and until next time, holla at your boy.